in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video, the only legit way for you to download YouTube videos, and I'm gonna show it to you. Very simple, very easy, guys. Let's go on YouTube and try to find a piece of content that we want to download. Let's say, for example, I want to download this video over here. All I have to do is to click on the three dots under the actual view counter. Now we have option number 4 in the menu, which is download video, right? You want to click on it. Then YouTube will give you two quality options that you can download the video in. So you have 720 and you have 360. In our case over here is that you have to have the YouTube Premium to be active and to be able to download the video. So YouTube will give you not only the availability to download videos, but they're also gonna give you to watch YouTube videos without watching ads if you actually opt in for YouTube Premium. So YouTube gonna give you these two options, and you are going to get the first month also free, as you can see over here according to them. The second month will cost you $18.99, and essentially you are getting at least 2 services for this subscription. Remember, guys, YouTube is not like other social medias where you can simply copy the link and paste it into third-party software. Like TikTok or Instagram, you can download content from there. Here things are a little more complicated because there is a copyright issue with the YouTube itself, and then there is a copyright issue with the creators. So this is why here you have to act appropriately and use the actual YouTube function built in. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more